Welcome to WealthWalk, your guide to navigating the digital landscape of online earning. Today, we're unveiling a strategy that's revolutionizing the way people make money online. And it all starts with something you're probably doing right now: watching videos. Imagine turning your leisure time into a lucrative side hustle, earning up to $19 just by watching 10 short clips. Sounds too good to be true? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the details of this game-changing opportunity. Picture this. You're scrolling through your favorite social media platform, mindlessly consuming content. But what if each swipe, each view, could put money in your pocket? That's the reality we're exploring today. Whether you're a YouTube enthusiast, an Instagram addict, or a TikTok aficionado, there's a way to monetize your viewing habits across all these platforms. Let's break it down. For every video you watch, you could earn $1.90. Watch 5 videos? That's $9.50 in your pocket. And if you make it to 10 videos, you're looking at a cool $19. But here's the kicker. This isn't just limited to one platform. You can leverage YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok to maximize your earnings. Now, you might be wondering, how is this even possible? Well, it's all about understanding the symbiotic relationship between content creators, advertisers, and viewers like you. Companies are constantly looking for ways to get their products in front of potential customers, and they're willing to pay for your attention. But here's where it gets interesting. We're not just talking about passive watching. This method involves a strategic approach that combines video consumption with affiliate marketing. It's a powerful combination that can turn your viewing time into a genuine income stream. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty. The first step is to choose your platform. While we'll focus on TikTok for this example, the principles apply across YouTube and Instagram as well. If TikTok isn't available in your country, don't worry. A simple VPN can solve that problem, opening up a world of earning potential. Once you're on your chosen platform, it's time to get strategic. Instead of aimlessly scrolling, focus on specific niches. The top 3 we recommend are personal finance and making money online, meditation or manifestation, and health and fitness, particularly weight loss. Why these niches? They're evergreen, always in demand, and ripe with monetization opportunities. Now here's where the magic happens. We're going to introduce you to ClickBank, an affiliate marketing marketplace that's going to be your secret weapon. By creating an account on ClickBank, you gain access to a vast array of products you can promote. For our example, let's stick with the weight loss niche. Imagine promoting a product that earns you over $116 per sale. That's not a pipe dream. It's a reality with some of the products available on ClickBank. By strategically creating content around these products and directing viewers to your affiliate link, you could potentially earn $500 daily with just 5 sales. But creating compelling content is key. This is where services like viral e-com ads come into play. They specialize in creating high-converting video ads that can skyrocket your success rate. For as little as $12.50, you could get 3 ad variations for your chosen product. These aren't just any ads. They're crafted using proven strategies that have generated millions in e-commerce sales. What sets these professional services apart is their deep understanding of consumer psychology and platform-specific best practices. They know how to create that perfect hook in the first few seconds, how to maintain engagement throughout the video, and how to craft a compelling call to action that drives conversions. Moreover, they stay up to date with the latest trends and algorithm changes, ensuring your content remains relevant and effective. Now, if you're on a tight budget, don't worry. There's a free method too. It involves studying successful product promotion videos, crafting your own script, and using free tools like 11 Labs for voiceovers and CapCut for editing. With a bit of creativity and effort, you can create compelling content without spending a dime. This DIY approach has its own advantages. It allows you to develop a unique voice and style, which can help you stand out in a crowded market. Plus, the skills you'll gain in content creation, scripting, and video editing are invaluable in today's digital economy. The key to success with this method is consistency and focus. Create multiple videos for a single product and dedicate each account to promoting just one item. This laser-focused approach can significantly boost your conversion rates. It allows you to really understand your product and your audience, refining your message and presentation over time for maximum impact. But here's the real beauty of this method. It's not just about making money. It's about developing a skill set that's invaluable in the digital age. You're learning about content creation, marketing, and the intricacies of social media algorithms. These are skills that can open doors to even more opportunities down the line. As you embark on this journey, remember that success doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But with each video you watch and create, you're not just earning money, you're investing in your future. Let's delve deeper into why this method works. Social media platforms are designed to keep users engaged, and short-form video content is the current king of engagement. By creating content that aligns with these platform preferences, you're essentially riding the wave of algorithmic favor. This means more eyes on your content and more potential clicks on your affiliate links. Moreover, the power of niche marketing cannot be overstated. By focusing on specific areas like weight loss or personal finance, you're tapping into audiences with clear pain points and desires. Your content becomes more than just entertainment. It becomes a solution to a problem, making viewers more likely to engage with your affiliate products. But let's address the elephant in the room, the ethical considerations. It's crucial to approach this method with integrity. Only promote products you believe in, and be transparent about your affiliate relationships. Your audience's trust is your most valuable asset, and maintaining it should be your top priority. As you grow in this space, you'll likely encounter challenges. Algorithm changes, market saturation, and shifting consumer preferences are all part of the game. But these challenges are also opportunities. They force you to innovate, to stay on top of trends, and to continually improve your content and marketing strategies. Remember, this method is just one of many in the vast world of online earning. As you gain experience and build your audience, you may discover other revenue streams that complement your video-based earnings. Perhaps you'll branch out into creating your own products, offering consulting services, or even launching a full-fledged e-commerce business. The digital economy is constantly evolving, and those who succeed are those who remain adaptable and eager to learn. Every video you watch with this method is not just a potential earning opportunity, it's a chance to study successful content, to understand what resonates with audiences, and to refine your own approach. So, are you ready to turn your screen time into a lucrative side hustle? The digital world is full of opportunities, and this is just one of many we explore here on WealthWalk. If you found value in this strategy and want to stay updated on the latest ways to build wealth online, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your financial future is just a click away. Until next time, keep walking the path to wealth, one video at a time.